holidays, everyone!
And welcome to Baking with Melody and Holly.
The holidays are so much fun.
Especially when you get to visit family.
But with so much running around, how do you find the time to bake anything?
Well, on today's episode, we'll show you one of our favorite recipes we can whip up in just minutes.
It's a pineapple dream cake. Pineapple dream cake is a no-bake dessert with minimal ingredients and no oven time.
It's a perfect recipe for kids to make on their own.
Are you ready, Holly?
Yep.
Let's get started.
For the crust, you'll need 2 cups of crushed graham cracker crumbs and half a cup of melted butter.
And for the filling, you'll need 1 liter of Cool Whip and 1 cup of strained crushed pineapples.
To make the crust, you'll need to mix your graham cracker crumbs and your melted butter. Ta-da! Now let's mix with a big fork, or you can use whatever you want to mix.
You'll want to make sure that the butter is evenly distributed.
You should end up with a very crummy texture at the end, like this.
For the filling, we'll need to add our pineapples into the Cool Whip.
Now, let's mix. I really want to eat it! Now that the filling and crust are done, we're going to start to assemble.
We're going to put 1 tablespoon of our graham cracker and butter mixture into our individual bowls. It's actually a heaping tablespoon, but we need just enough so it fills the whole entire bottom of the bowl.
This is my favorite part.
Holly?
Because if there's extra, I get to eat it!
Now it's time for the filling.
At home, we usually like using these clear containers, but since it's the holidays, we like to use these red festive cupcake molds. I think these are gonna be the ones I want to eat.
Make sure to pat it down carefully.
And it's a bit easier to do it now because it's paper.
This is actually my mom's favorite recipe. And did you know that my Nana has been making it for her since she was my age?
My birthday's coming up and it's Hawaiian themed, so I'm definitely having this cake.
You want to make sure not to overfill your pineapple dream cakes because there might not be enough Cool Whip mixture left at the end. The best part about this is when you're done filling, you're done.
These are finished, but not Holly finished. We need to add sprinkles, and then it'll be finished.
All right, let's get those sprinkles.
By just looking at these sprinkles, I already know what I want to make.
What is it?
A pineapple!
Even though making a pineapple sounds super cool, I think I'm still gonna stick with the Christmas theme.
Whatever.
If you're preparing these in advance, I'd recommend that you only add the sprinkles at the last minute because all the sugar's gonna run.
This dessert makes me wish I was on vacation.
Well, you know, Holly, it is called Pineapple Dream.
You're right.
Presentation is everything. Holly, do you think you'll notice if 2 are missing?
I don't think so.
Cheers! It's so good. It really is a dream. Pineapple dream.
That's it for this episode of
Baking with Melody and Holly. Happy holidays! Bye! Don't forget to click like and support us by subscribing to our channel.